Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make biscuit donuts. We'll start by gathering just a few basic ingredients. You'll need 1 can of 8-count refrigerated biscuits, some vegetable or canola oil for frying, and ingredients for a quick glaze. This easy method turns ordinary biscuits into warm, fluffy donuts, perfect for a sweet treat anytime. It's a surprisingly simple process that yields delightful results. Next, let's prepare our biscuit dough. Carefully separate each biscuit from the can and lay them flat. Using a small round cookie cutter or even a shot glass, press firmly to cut a hole in the center of each biscuit. Don't discard those centers. They make fantastic donut holes. This step transforms the biscuits into their familiar donut shape, ready for the next exciting stage. Now for the exciting part, frying. Pour about 2 to 3 inches of vegetable or canola oil into a deep pan. Heat the oil to a temperature between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. A candy thermometer is very helpful here. Carefully place 2 or 3 donuts into the hot oil at a time, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each side for approximately 1 to 2 minutes until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Once fried, transfer your golden donuts to a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. While they cool slightly, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic glaze. Dip each warm donut into the glaze, allowing any extra to drip off. Serve these delightful homemade biscuit donuts immediately for the freshest, most delicious experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.